The Arista 7050X3 are the third generation of the highly successful 7050 series dating back to 2011. The 7050X3 delivers up to 32 ports of 100 gig with a set of comprehensive features backward compatible to the 7050X, coupled with a flexible pipeline that gives customers continued investment protection. At the core of the 7050X3 series is a 6.4 terabits per second packet processor that provides double the performance and significant scale improvements compared to the 7050X series. With IP routing tables of up to 360K, ACLs up to 24K, and a 32 megabyte intelligent buffer. The 7050X3 support a consistent set of EOS features that are already supported on other Arista X series systems, including Smart System Upgrade, LANs, and network telemetry, as well as packet timestamping. Operational and feature consistency lowers the qualification time typically associated with introducing new products, and the 7050X3 systems will smoothly insert to existing networks. The 7050X3 adds new capabilities, addressing the needs of many customers, enhancing network telemetry with triggered buffer capture and flow tracker, along with support for other networking features such as segment routing and VXLAN v6. With increased performance and scale, feature consistency, and these enhancements, the 7050X3 platforms are ideally suited for large enterprises, big data and machine learning environments, and both traditional and virtualized data centers, as well as service provider edge networking roles. The 7050X3 are available in several models, allowing for use as a leaf or as a spine for smaller networks, with all the systems offering the same high performance capability, optimized for data centers with rich EOS features, high throughput, power efficiency, and a compact system design in one IU. The 7050X3 series includes a 32-port 100 gig system that enables up to 128 ports of 10 gig or 25, and a system with 48 SFP ports for 10 gig or 25 gig, with an additional 12 ports of 100 gig. This system can be used for high-density 25 gig connections, and with the 12 ports of 100 gig users links to the spine, it has zero network oversubscription. All 7050X3 series 100 gig ports allow for 5 interface speeds, and the 25 gig SFP ports are dual rate, allowing for 10 gig or 25 gig mode, and it's enabled in groups of 4 ports, simplifying migration from 10 to 25 or from 40 to 100. When deployed in a leaf role, the single pass VXLAN routing, DLB path selection, and smart buffer technology addresses the requirements of servers and storage environments. In a fixed spine, throughput, buffering, and DLB are important, combined with the larger forwarding tables and support for real-time visibility into flows. The 7050X3 series 32 megabytes of smart buffer is fully shared across all ports, rather than being allocated in slices and limited to a small set of ports. This smart buffer allows for superior burst absorption in the face of both bursty and unpredictable traffic loads at both the leaf and spine. Deep buffers are recommended for environments with long-term oversubscription, but intelligent allocation of the buffer is important. The 7050X3 buffers are primarily allocated to a shared pool, where the system intelligently allocates it to all ports as needed. Lossy classes are aggregated into the shared pool for superior burst absorption, and lossless traffic classes use a dedicated per-class buffer on each port. The total memory available for both buffering and forwarding tables has increased significantly. However, the overall power efficiency has been improved for the next generation of 25 gig and 100 gig networks. As customers add new systems, consistency with the existing deployments is important, and the 7050X3 series ensures that coexistence and speed migrations will be seamless. The 7050X3 have continued support for EOS innovations such as Smart System Upgrade with sub-second EOS upgrades, hitless speed changes to eliminate downtime when reconfiguring the ports, and flexible Layer 2 and Layer 3 scale with a choice of 5 UFT modes. These are enhanced with single-pass VXLAN routing for network segmentation, dynamic load balancing for optimized path selection, and the addition of NAT. One of the key benefits of the 7050X3 is the addition of 100 gig uplinks. 100 gig is a major increase in bandwidth compared to 40 gig and a more efficient way to scale. Adding capacity with extra 40 gig ports means flows are balanced using hash algorithms, and these will inevitably lead to uneven flow distribution, with some links busier than others. Moving to 100 gig is a better way to add bandwidth. As you add more 100 gig links, the system balances flows amongst a set of links. And then we need to address load balancing efficiency. The advanced dynamic load balancing feature on the 7050X3 helps with path optimization. It works over either Layer 3 ECMP or Layer 2 link aggregation topologies. DLB ensures that for a new flow, the initial path selection takes into account consideration of the current status of link loading to avoid overloading. As new flows arrive, the algorithm optimizes the distribution evenly, balancing on all links. Once flows are established, some will be higher bandwidth and some will be short-lived or low bandwidth. DLB dynamically rebalances the active flows based on link loading and queue history, ensuring links are continuously optimized, avoiding drops due to congestion. DLB is enabled locally and there is no link signaling, so it works well in multi-vendor networks and does not require the replacement of other intermediate systems to be able to see the benefits. The 7050X3 series also enable EOS support for NAT, or Network Address Translation, at line rate and low latency. Both address and port translation is provided, and latency stays as low as 800 nanoseconds with cut-through forwarding. Cut-through operates on same speed and higher speed interfaces to lower speed forwarding interfaces. EOS capabilities for LANs, timestamping, and IEEE 1588 PTP make the 7050X3 ideal for many applications in data center, media and entertainment, financial services, and service provider networks, where high density and low power are important considerations. For more information on the Arista 7050X3 series, visit us at arista.com.